Hello everyone, welcome to Nijesh Ibanez channel. So today we are going to write audio and video tag in HTML. So I am using a code editor to write the codes. Here you have to use Visual Studio Code for writing your code. So you have to first open a file. Here I am opening a file. Done opening. Now you have to use Visual and let's start writing. So here you have to write, always remember that you have to write HTML when you start coding. So let's write here. Now the first thing we are going to do is give an open bracket and write HTML, then give a close bracket. It's here close bracket. Now it automatically suggests the close tag and the open tag. Here you can see close tag in the last, so don't delete it, give enter where you are, give an enter. And here now write body, don't forget to write the brackets. Here write body and here automatically suggested body, so you have to click in here and it again gives the close tag of body, so you have to give enter. You're done giving enter. Now write give an open bracket. Now we are going to write the video tag, so here write video, then give space and write Ctrl S and then give an close bracket, then give enter. Here it again automatically suggested the close tag of video, so don't delete it, give enter, then give open bracket. Here give the open bracket and write source, then give space. Here it automatically suggested the source, then write src, give equal and write quotes, and then in between that write your video file. So you need a video file to write your video file name in here. So I have a video file already in here, so I am going to write it here. So here my video file name is view.mp4. here it's suggested, then you have to give space and write type equal, then you have to give quotes, and in between that write video slash, then write mp4. You have to write mp4, you cannot write mp3 or mpeg because your file is mp4. So you are done with the video tag. Now let's go to the audio tag. So now give an enter to write your audio tag. So it's same, very easy. So start with an open bracket just like the video one, write audio instead of video, then write controls. It's easy, just as like the video one, write Ctrl S, then give an close bracket and write enter and give enter and write source, just same, see I said you, just same, and something here write src, just as same, then you give equal, then write quotes, and in here you have to write the audio file name. So write your audio file name. Here write your audio file. So my audio file name is audio.mp3. Now why is it showing red? Because I haven't given an equal, so you have to give an equal. So let's give equal, don't give plus, give equal, and then write space and write type, just as like video tag, and write give quotes. Now give quotes, and inside that quote here it suggests type in here. So why is there showing on down there, why is there showing red or in the audio close tag? Do you know why? Because you haven't given a close bracket, so you have to write in close bracket here in the quotes. I will give the close bracket at last. So in the quotes write audio slash mp3 slash mp3. Just my audio file is mp3, so you have to write here mp3, then you have to give a close bracket. Now see, I said you that when you give the close bracket it will not show red. So now let's see, is it good? Let's see, is it okay y'all? So here, as you can see, this is a tab, Firefox browser tab. With this, here is your HTML code where you wrote here, and here's the video. Remember I gave the video file view.mp3. so here's the video, you can see here. And where is audio? Audio, here is the audio. Just click the button and here the music comes. So as you can see, here is the audio and here is the video.